These statements are to convert your negative thoughts into positive and to make you success in your life. I am very good. I'm honest. I do my work honestly. I like my work. I always do my work on time. I have the courage to go ahead with the people. No one can stop me. No one can do anything except me. I am an idealistic person. I do all my work well and I do my diary. I follow all the rules. We should always be such a person, so that people give your example. You should have full faith in your work and yourself. There may be many obstacles in your way, but you will have to do your best. You will have many dreams, but there is a big difference between dreaming and fulfilling it. Dreams never come true. We should make our dreams the goal. You should have a desire to achieve your goal. No matter how difficult it is to see a goal, it can be achieved with hard work and dedication. Whether dreams come true or not, the goal will be accomplished. The only difference between dreams and bad situations is hard work. Our hard work leads us towards our success. Sometimes time will try to win, and it will also try to stop you, but you have to bet from time to win, and you have to move towards your goal. You have left many of your dreams behind you, but reality and the past can never be changed. What you can change is your future. Sometimes we have to win even by pampering ourselves. Our time wants to stop us. We didn't believe in ourselves, but with some courage and perseverance, we can achieve that thing, what we need. Society is not always the same for anyone. With time we also learn to change, and reads to change your thinking too. We should always remain very strong. Past and confidence will always let you down. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to your channel for more colorful and peaceful affirmations. Have a good and safe